Hey guys, it's Vera from Rudy Visuals, and in today's video we are going to be taking you behind the scenes of our most recent photo shoot. So for this photo shoot we had a group of wonderful models, and so we decided to head to Richmond Park, which is a giant nature reserve here in London. I have to admit that I've never really done group shots before, so this is going to be a little bit tricky and I'm not really that well prepared for it, but it's all a learning curve. So let's just see how it turns out. That was our little behind the scenes. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll definitely be posting these as often as we can in the future. First of all, big thanks to my 5 wonderful models. We had such a great time shooting that day. So I just wanted to mention at the end a few of the mistakes that I made during that day. So first of all, the lighting situation was really difficult. It's already difficult enough with 1 person, but with 5 it just becomes like, it's like going from juggling 1 ball to juggling 5 straight away. The weather that day was pretty patchy. It was sunny but also cloudy, so the light kept changing, and so it became even more harder to get the light even on every model's face. So it was a lot better when it was cloudy because the light was a lot more diffused and the shadows on the faces were not as prominent. But during the sunny bits it was like became quite sharp. I tried to use the flash to even out the shadows on the faces, but it didn't work out quite as well as I hoped. So in the future I'll definitely want to invest in 2 flash heads so I can have more control over the lighting situation even when it's outdoors. The next thing I want to talk about is the choice of the lens. So the lens I used for this photo shoot was the 24-105 kit lens that comes with the 6D Mark II. So it's not the red ring version, but the slightly lower model. So because it was a group shoot, I couldn't use a wide aperture. I mainly shot at f8 or f11, trying to get everyone's face in focus. But that means that you lose that nice depth of field that I'm quite used to getting when I shoot portraits. So with the kit lens I mainly shot at the 105 focal length to try and get some background blur, but that does have its drawbacks as you lose a little bit of sharpness and it's a bit soft looking. So at the end of the photo shoot, I did manage to take some single portraits of the models using the nifty 50, so I was back in my comfort zone, but I enjoyed trying something new anyway. So in the end, I had a great time during the photo shoot. The models were really nice and everyone was super cool. In the end, I did manage to get a few nice shots, but I did make a lot of mistakes. But hopefully in the future I can do something similar and it'll work out much better. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, please hit that subscribe button, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!